A lot of people, they tell me, shoot Glocks. Man, that's the thing about Glock. The shell come back to me. Watch now. All the shells come back to you. I don't know why. You see? You see? All the shells come back to you. This is the thing with the Glock. Why all the shells are coming back to me? But the Glocks are a good shooter, though, man. Anybody can shoot a Glock. This guns, when you aim it, dude, right on the target. This flat spot is amazing. It's easy to shoot. Shoot something with the Glock. Very easy.